So here you see the new tire we just put on. In order to do so, there's quite some work removing panels, because you need to get the complete wiring which is running here. The orange need to also go, else you don't get the wheel off. Now that's fairly easy. Remove this, remove those, but first this panel need to go. Removing this lid, super simple, 4 bolts, then you have access to take that piece off. In order to remove this piece, there are a few screws that hold it together. This is number 1, number 2, then 2 plastic caps. Underneath here, there is a third one. This one also need to go. Then you have one more here, of course the other side also underneath, and then 2 on the inside, 1, 2, third one hidden there, very difficult to reach. Final one, also one more screw here, and then finally 1 and 2. So you remove those, a bit wiggling, you can pull the entire cover outward to work on, for example, removing the wheel. And this electric wire is then going also for the rear wheel.